Hello, everyone! Buckle up, sit back, and relax because it's time for our departure on an inspiring musical adventure. The sights and sounds of West Asia.
Today, we're in West Asia. It's full of amazing history and diverse cultures. We'll travel to places like Iran, Turkey, Palestine, and Georgia.
Big dreams, heavy nights.
Arabesque combines Turkish melodies with other West Asian music. These songs often express strong feelings like love and sadness. Check out some Persian rap.
اغنوسیم از خاکستریم آتیش میشیم تو دل سرما بی پایان مثل خاک زمین طوفان بپا کنیم برپا اغنوسیم از خاکستریم آتیش میشیم تو دل سرما بی پایان مثل خاک